Good morning, students. Today we'll be doing the first chapter, The Living World. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about the taxonomic categories or the taxonomic hierarchy. In the previous lecture, we read about taxonomy and systematics. So in today's lecture, we'll be talking about the taxonomic hierarchy. What is taxonomic hierarchy or taxonomic categories? It is usually the sequence of categories which are placed either in the increasing or in the decreasing order. So, taxonomic hierarchy is the process of arranging various organisms into successive level of biological classification. As we mentioned earlier, that there is a need of a classification system for living organisms, and taxonomic hierarchy include all the taxa, all the categories in which an organism is placed. So each level of categories or each successive level is known as the taxonomic category, or it is also known as rank, or sometimes it is also known as taxa. So the sequence of categories in increasing or decreasing order is known as taxonomic hierarchy, in which the kingdom is the highest rank while the species is the lowest rank. Whenever we are talking about taxonomic hierarchy, we have to know about some of the ranks. The highest rank is always kingdom, and kingdom is the highest rank, which is followed by the phylum. The phylum is used in animals, while division is used in plants. So both are almost similar, but one thing you have to know, that phylum is used for animals and division is used for plants. And then the next one is class, and then the next one is order, then the next one is family, the next one is genus, and the last one is the lowermost taxonomic rank is known as species. So species is the lowermost taxonomic rank while the kingdom is the highest taxonomic rank. And this arranging of an organism into various groups or various taxonomic rank is known as taxonomic hierarchy. Now we should talk about the categories including in taxonomic hierarchy. So it is either on ascending order or from the descending order, from highest rank to lowest rank, or from the lowest rank to highest rank. So first we talk about the highest rank. The highest rank is kingdom, and kingdom is the highest level of classification. R.H. Whittaker gave a 5-kingdom system in which there are 5 kingdoms of living organisms, namely Animalia, which include all the animals; Plenty, which include all the plants; the fungal kingdom, fungi kingdom, which include all the fungus; the Protista, which include all the unicellular eukaryotes; and the Monera, which include the prokaryotes. Means Monera include the prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means bacteria and blue-green algae. So all the prokaryotes like bacteria and cyanobacteria or blue-green algae are placed in Monera. In Protista, all the unicellular eukaryotes The unicellular eukaryotes include the protozoans are placed in protista. The fungal kingdom include all the fungi. Plant kingdom include the algae, bryophyte, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms, while animal kingdom includes all the animals. So, kingdom is the highest taxonomic rank. All animals belonging to various phylum are assigned to the highest category called kingdom. The second taxonomic category is the phylum or division, as we know that phylum is used for animals and division is used for plant. It is the next level of classification and it is usually more specific than the kingdom. So whenever we are talking about phylum or division, all the classes comprising animals like fishes, amphibians, reptile, birds, along with mammals, constitute the next higher category called phylum. All these based on the common features like presence of notochord and dorsal hollow neural system are included in phylum Chordata. So, classes comprising of animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals are included in phylum Chordata. The meaning of Chordata में प्लेस होने के लिए एक बेसिक कैरेक्टर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं नोटोकॉर्ड, द प्रेजेंस ऑफ नोटोकॉर्ड. तो जितने भी कॉर्डेट होंगे इनके एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में एम्ब्रियो में नोटोकॉर्ड प्रेजेंट होगी. नोटोकॉर्ड जो है वो बैकबोन नहीं है, इस बात को भी आप लोग ध्यान रखेंगे. अच्छा, द नेक्स्ट टैक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी इज द क्लास and class is usually includes the related orders. Class includes the related orders. So all the related orders together constitute a class. For example, order primates and order carnivora. Order primates include monkey, gorilla, etc., while the order carnivora include the tiger, cat, dog, etc. These two orders are different, but both of these order are placed in the class mammals. Mammals also have some other uh, orders. So based on the similar characters, the similar order forms a class. Okay, so the next taxonomic category is order. It is more specific than class and it consists of one or more similar families. Again, the procedure is same. Many similar families having the similar characters together constitute a single order. So, similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera. Similar genera have more common characters. Similar order have less common character. Similar class have lesser the similar character. It means जैसे जैसे आप अपर लेवल की ओर जाएंगे सिमिलर कैरेक्टर्स कम होते चले जाएंगे. For example, order Carnivora includes families like Felidae and Canidae. So this one is dog and cat order families. Sorry. The next taxonomic rank is family, and family always has a group of related genera having less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. These are usually characterized on the basis of both vegetative characters and reproductive characters in plant species. It includes various genera or genus that share a few similarities. For example, if we are talking about the genus Panthera, comprising lion, tiger, leopard, is put along with genus Felis, which includes cats, in the family Felidae. The next taxonomic rank is genus. Genus is usually a group of similar species. Many similar species together constitute a genus. Some genera have only one species, so these genera are called monotypic or monotypic genera, while some genera have more than one species and known as polytypic genera. For example, the lion, tiger are placed under the genus Panthera, but the species is different. Panthera leo is lion, while the Panthera tigris is tiger. In case of plants, let us suppose we talk about a particular genre, which is ficus. So there are so many species of ficus. Ficus is the name of genre. There is ficus palmata, which is known as bedu in our Kumaoni language. Ficus roxburghi, which is the botanical name of anjeer. And then there is Ficus religiosa, which is known as people. Ficus bengalensis, which is the name of the banyan tree, which is the species of the banyan tree. So, all these Palmata, Roxburghi, religiosa, bengalensis have a common genre, Ficus. So, these all have the similar set of characteristics, but the species is different. So, it means many different species together constitute a single genus. So this one is the polytypic genera. Now come to the last one, which is known as species. And species is usually the lowest level of taxonomic hierarchy. It includes group of organisms that are similar in their shape, their form, their reproductive features, etc. So this one is the lowermost category. Everyone is able to distinguish one species from the other closely related species based on some distinct morphological differences. Let us suppose we are talking about two different plants. Like if we are talking about a potato plant and an onion plant, both these plants are different. Both these belong to different families. Sorry, different species and different family also. Onion belongs to family Liliaceae, while potato belongs to family Solanaceae. The scientific names of both these plants, the genera, the species are also different. The scientific name of onion is Allium cepa, while the scientific name of potato is Solanum tuberosum. So it means if you arrange these categories and think about them, The lowermost category is species. Many similar species constitute a genus. Many similar genus constitute a family. Many similar family constitute the order. Many similar orders form a class. Many similar class form a phylum, and many similar phylum forms the kingdom. So this is all about the taxonomic hierarchy. Thank you so much.